Hi guys, back in with another video, and today I'm going to be installing a K-tune shift knob and a single DIN plate for the dash. Yeah, it's going to go in here. That should be good. This is a genuine shift knob, so you can see the part number. Focus. There we go. This one, the plate. Okay. I'm gonna be removing this shift knob. I think this is the Integra one. It's battered. K-tuned. Comes with a nut. It's a 14. Yeah, it's a 14mm nut. Focus. There we go. Before I put this on, I'm gonna put the bolt on. Not the bolt, sorry. The frig. The nut. It's gonna go on first. This way. Yeah, my hands are a bit ashy. Need some Vaseline, bro. You got any? There we go. Oh, look at the angle. Yo, looks mad. I just tightened it and I couldn't get it the right way around, the K-tuned logo. Now for the single DIN block off plate, here's the plate. Just gonna clip it in. Yeah, I think it goes this way. So you push it in. The frig's not going in. Okay, I got it in. Just had to put some force into it and it snapped in. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please like, rate and comment. Not rate, you can't rate no more. Comment and then subscribe please. And share, and share, that helps a lot. See you later.